Today I'm at 77 Kentucky, checking out some chicken, sharing with you guys an awesome space in Los Angeles, California. You definitely have to check this place out.
First, I'm gonna little bit explain like what's this.
Yes.
Is. So this is called radish.
Yeah.
In Korea we call chicken 무. So this one is we fermented with vinegar.
Okay.
And then we in our restaurant we put different like special sauces. And then in Korea everyone when they eat chicken,
yeah,
they always go with this.
Okay.
So it's like when you eat nacho, you eat with like, or it's like a salsa on top of taco.
Okay.
So in Korean culture, you cannot miss. If you don't eat chicken 무 with chicken, it's like you're missing half of the experience. But I found a lot of people really don't like it because it's very sour taste, and since it's fermented, some people are not really used to the aromatic. So I mean, if you're fine, try it. If you like it, yeah, just try it. But I'm not really this person, but it's really nice to eat with this. And this is the chicken, the seed rice bowl I was talking to. So what we do is just grab it and then smush into small rice pieces and just mix it. And then we just make it into a small rice bowl.
Right.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, so just warning you. Other places use serve this kind of 주먹밥. It's called 주먹밥, which means if I translate into is feast rice.
This
but,
rice.
Yeah, but you are making into the feast. So this is sweet and spicy and Chinese chicken. It's called kampung chicken.
Okay.
If I translate, it's like a kung pao chicken, or we put nice flavor, smoky, and a little bit of spiciness, and it's also kind of sweet. It's not too spicy. Enjoy. Help yourself.
So Chinese chicken.
Yeah, that's my favorite,
Try it out.
and it's fun to make because I have to walk it fire.
Oh, that's good.
So this is the chicken feet tongue we have here. So when you grab chicken, we use chicken feet. And then we always give French fries too. And the sweet and spicy is pretty sweet. So
Pretty sweet?
It's
Okay.
not spicy much. But some
Alright.
people may find it spicy. So.
Sweet and spicy, let's try it.
And this is sweet and spicy. The sauce is based on gochujang, Korean paste, chili paste.
I love it. It's really good. It's not too spicy. And I like the hint of sweetness. It like mixes really well.
What you do is like sweet rice, a lot of people put sauces on.
Oh.
You can just eat it with seaweed rice itself, but we found, I don't know if it's everyone, I'm not generalizing, hope so, but a lot of Koreans eat rice bowl like this.
Okay. Amazing.
Because everyone loves chicken, so we call like God chicken.
God chicken?
Yeah, chicken is like God. So we call like, oh, he's like, oh, you want to eat God chicken? And then when we talk about chicken, yeah, like, oh, we have to be polite. Because it's God.
I love
That's
that.
like our signature menu. It's called original chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's leg and thigh.
Love it.
It's like this. And then you can see all the crispy chicken skins all fried up.
That's amazing. And this is what's on the Tuesday special, right?
Yeah, Tuesday special. Cheers.
Cheers.
God chicken. Like it's like flavor you can expect just well fried chicken. But that's what it makes good, I think.
Yeah.
Sometimes just fried or well grilled tastes good. Like Korean barbecue or grilled zucchini. And we also there's dipping sauce. the sweet and spicy sauce, and then it goes well with pretty good.
Okay.
Some people prefer salt, just salt and
Just
peppers.
salt. Okay.
In Korea, there's a menu just fried chicken skins.
Just fried chicken. Ooh, I have had that before. And I love it. It's really good.
You know, like the KFC has fried chicken skin in Korea. It's pretty nice.
Wow. How do you just fry the chicken skin without you just peel it off before?
They peel it up, and then I don't know what they put, but they put their better seasonings and then just deep fry it and just sell by chicken skin. So last one we are gonna go over is garlic and honey butter chicken. So honey butter is our newest menu we just added. And in Korea, the honey butter flavor was big hit.
Okay.
It was very trending. Everyone started making honey butter chips with potato chips, like honey butter peanuts. And then people, oh, let's try with chicken. And then I was like, oh,
It's good.
yeah, chicken's good already. So what can you add to anything you add to God? You know, it's good.
Right. All right.
So,
Awesome.
good. Some people don't like it because it's sweet.
Okay.
But you see the white pellet you see is like the honey powder
Okay.
you put. So
Honey powder.
yeah.
I didn't know you could get honey and powder. Cheers.
Cheers. We actually use butter, real butter. So it was really hard to get butter flavor because it's very delicate.
Right.
So we made it.
And this one's the garlic.
It's garlic and soy.
Okay.
So our soy sauce and garlic chicken, they are very similar. So on top of soy sauce, we put extra garlic, and so we can bring some garlic flavor, much stronger. So it's called garlic chicken.
Okay.
Try it.
All right. Here we go. Look at all the garlic.
You have to go brush your teeth.
Right.
So your girlfriend or boyfriend don't go away.
Right. Oh my gosh, yeah. So much garlic. I love it. Garlic's probably one of my favorite spices.
When I see food, it's so interesting how different places has different flavors. Like, originally, Kentucky Fried Chicken started from the United States.
Right.
And then now we have a bunch of fried chicken places. And like, also it spread out. It came to Korea. What I heard, it came as after like during World War II.
Okay.
U.S. Army came to help South Korea
Okay.
fighting. Not World War II. After World War II, there was a civil war in Korea. And then as they come visiting, they miss fried
Right.
chicken. So I think that's how it started. And I'm not sure where which source was, but the student spice chicken was also, she was living around the urban area,
Okay.
and then she just put paste, like chili paste, and then just start eating with it. And then how it started Korean fried chicken history.
Okay. That's really cool.